we are at the Association for Molecular Pathology in Utah, talking with Dr. Gong Song, the CEO of Pillar Biosciences. Gong, thank you for taking some time today to talk to me about Pillar Biosciences. What can you tell me about it?
Yeah, Pillar Biosciences is clinical NGS diagnostic company. We set out to solve the issues that every clinical NGS lab is facing.
What kind of issues?
Yeah, I think there are at least three major issues. The first one is high assay failure rate and high repeat rate due to the nature of the low quality, low amount of clinical specimens. And the second is the complicated workflow. The NGS testing are very complicated. And the third is the cost.
Yes.
The cost is still very high.
Some of these tests can be like thousands of dollars.
Yes,
correct?
yes, yeah. But insurance companies do not really want to pay that much. Yeah.
And how does Pillar then solve these problems?
Yeah, so we are an innovation-driven company. We first start building new technology. So this is a new targeted sequencing technology, so called SLIM-AMP, stem loop inhibition mediated amplification. So using this technology, the overlapping amplicon, this short overlapping region, cannot be really amplified efficiently. Typically, this short amplicon, if amplified efficiently, then that will dominate the whole reaction.
You get a whole tube of junk.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And the second, when you put hundreds of or even thousands of oligos into one oligo pool, then any two oligos can interact with each other.
And so how does then SLIM-AMP then solve this problem?
Yeah, so through our SLIM-AMP, these short amplicons are inhibited, and also the primer dimers are inhibited as well.
So you're able then to amplify what you want.
Yes.
And you're not
only
getting
what you want.
Only what you want.
Yes.
And so how does this then solve the workflow problem?
Yes, and then you can simply put hundreds of thousands of oligos into one single pool. So this is a single tube workflow.
I see.
Yeah.
No splitting.
No splitting, then no any risk of sample swabbing.
I see.
Yeah.
And then
this workflow can be easily automated.
I see.
On the liquid handlers like TCAN.
I see. And then as far as the cost goes, how do you tackle that?
Yeah, so the cost, since we can put everything into one tube, the cost of reagents, the saving is already there, right?
Half?
Yeah, half or even like some companies, like for BRCA panel, they need to split oligos into 3 pools or even 4 pools. Yeah. Let's just say 2 pools, then half. That's the reagents. Then second, then the takt time significantly reduced.
By significant, you mean half as well, or?
Yeah, if you need to pipette twice, now you need to just pipette once. That's
I see.
Right?
I see.
Also, the beauty of this technology is the workflow can be fully automated.
I see.
Then reduce takt time by 80%, 90%.
I see.
Yeah.
So you have any exciting announcements here at this meeting?
Yes, so even before this meeting, a few days ago, Illumina and Pillar announced IVD partnership to utilize the SLIM-AMP technology and the MySeq DX. So then we will submit the panels to the FDA starting from next year.
Well, that's exciting.
Yeah.
And I saw on your website a note about liquid biopsy. What is that about?
Yeah, we actually have built quite a few liquid biopsy panels. The first one is a lung cancer panel. We are not going to formally launch this panel in this AMP because we want to complete all the third-party validation studies.
Sure.
Well, I always believe only the third party thinks our test is good, then that's really good. We are a product-based company, not a service-based company, not a black box. Right.
So the development cycle takes a lot of work.
It takes longer.
Sure.
So starting even, so every product, so the first three products we're going to launch in this AMP, the first validation started from 2 years ago.
I see.
And the first product, BRCA panel, have been tested by several clinical labs and clinical testing companies in both US and in China.
I see.
So every panel we use this approach.
I see.
Only several third parties think our products are great and we will release it.
Yes.
We actually already accumulated a lot of liquid biopsy data.
Oh, that's great. Well, thank you very much for joining me today.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.
Very good.